This is lesson 5, and the topics for this lesson are going to be how to use a free software called SasPlanet. Then we're going to learn how to download georeferenced images with this software. After that, we're going to visit a very interesting website about floods in Alberta. Then we're going to georeference an image from the flood hazard map application using the geoprocessing tool Georeferencer.
Hello guys, today we are going to download an application to use for the GIS. The name of the application is SasPlanet. It's totally free. Just click here. This one is the last version. Then we're going to create here a folder, SasPlanet. Start here. That is an application to view and download satellite image. You don't have to install anything. Just click right here and run as an administrator. At the beginning, when you make zoom, you are not going to see anything. That's because you have to change some things at the settings. Here, just put number 742. Okay, now it works. To look for a place here, Google, for example, Edmonton. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. Let's see what happened again. There we go. Now we have Edmonton there. For the next exercise, we are going to be working in this area. I'm going to show you a little bit how the software works, but it's not the goal, just a little bit. Here you can add different base maps. And here you can add overlay layers. Okay, this is Google satellite, Google Maps. Okay, for example, Vin satellite. Then you can decide what satellite do you want for your project, but as you can see, the resolution it changed a lot. In this case, for example, for me the best one is this one. Really good image. Then even here, for example, you can add more layers. You can see that's the cadastre. Or even there, to take out, click again here. Water sources. Water sources. Oh, look at there. Well, the cartography doesn't match very well. Yes. You can check. Okay, even for the base maps, you can check and choose what you want. If you want to know how the software works, you can look for information. That's not the goal of this lesson. Now I'm going to show you how you can download the image. In this case, for example, we're going to choose this satellite and then go here, make a selection, rectangular selection. We are going to download oops, I don't want this one, cancel. I want an area even bigger, something like that. Okay, then here, rectangle selection. First, we can decide what zoom we want. I'm going to choose this one. Rectangular selection from here. Okay, we have to go take, when you approach, you see the dark squares, they disappear. It allows us to download the resolution we want. I mean with the zoom 19. Okay, that's good enough. The rectangle selection, I'm going to select, okay, I need here more. On here, to here, all this area. Then we have to select zoom 19. Go here. It's going to be diative. We are going to save in this folder, lesson 5. Save. Then you have to select what layer do you want. In this case is this one, as you can see here. We are not going to overlay any layer like this one. Then here zoom 19 as we put here. Then the projection is going to be Mercator WGS 84. That is geographic coordinate systems, is in degrees. And that's it. Start. The process is complete. Then we can go to the file, is here. That's the image we get. Now close. The advantage to use this software is when you download a satellite image, that satellite image is georeferenced. Okay, then you can use in Quantum GIS, and you are going to see the coordinates, and you are going to save a lot of time because you don't have to make any georeferencing. You don't have to add any coordinate systems for that picture. I'm going to show you. It's this one. Open. You can see at the bottom that's the coordinates in degrees. But as we are going to work in a with meters, we want UTM coordinates. I'm going to use this one, WGS 84 UTM zone 12, because as you can see here in Google Earth, you can see here at the bottom, this is zone 12. Okay. Then it's going to be this one. I'm going to use this kind of coordinate systems. Apply. When you apply, you are going to see how the picture move, because you change from one coordinate reference systems to other different one. Okay. Apply. You see. Okay. Now we have the coordinates in meters, as you can see here. And that's it for SasPlanet. And now I'm going to show you other interesting website that we need for the next lesson. Google Float Alberta. This website, flow hazard mapping. Then this application, float hazard map application. Okay, now let's go to the area we are going to work. It's this area here. As you can see, this one, this path is this one, is this path here. Okay, that's a cartography for the float. Okay, once every 100 years we are going to work in the next exercise with this stuff. Then I'm going to show you how to georeference this image. Then let's go to print a screen. Let's go to paint, paste here. Let's go to select the area we want. Is going to be this area. There we go. Then click right, copy, go here, new, don't save, then paste, and now save as JPEG format. Lesson 5, flow map, save. Okay, close. I'm going to put all the links at the beginning of the video. Okay, we have these both pictures. Now we are going to georeference this image. I decided to download a new image, satellite image, because the first one, it was really small and I need some points here as a reference, and I download this one. We have all these features here we can use to reference the flow map, because before I tried to do it with 1 point here, 1 point here, and some points over here, but the georeferencing, it was not good. Okay, then I'm going to add this image. We are going to work with UTM coordinates, because we need coordinate reference systems projected. Is going to be QGIS 84 UTM Zone 12. Okay, let's go to add the image. And let's go to Georeference the other image, then go here, Raster, Georeferencer, click here, add the image, it's going to be this one. The same coordinate reference systems, that's okay. We have clicked already this button. Then we are going to select 4 points. These 4 points first. The first point is going to be this one. Then click here from the map. This point is this intersection here. Okay. The second point we are going to use is this circle here. Then click here at the middle. Okay, we don't have this kind of features in the other map. Okay, then we can use even this one, or maybe one more here. This one here, just 4 points is enough. This one is this one here. Okay, and the last one is going to be this one here at the middle, and is this one here. Okay, 4 points it's enough. Play. Okay, transformation type is good, resampling method is good, the coordinate system is good. Okay, then we are going to save the map as a WSG 84 UTM 12 zone, or just 12. That's enough. 12. Save. Maybe too long. Save. Okay, everything is okay. Okay, click here to make the process. The process is already successful. Discard. Now let's go to add the new image. Is this one? And let's go to check if the superposition of the both maps are good. Let's go to make this layer a little bit transparent. 50% is going to be good to see this one. Okay. As you can see here, it matches really good. Okay. Now here from this area also it matches really good. Okay, and the most important thing, because what I want to do at the next exercise, it's to make a cartography of the float area. Here, like this one, just make this line. And I was pretty interesting to make sure here this area matches good. Okay, now it's not totally perfect, okay, but that's really good. Okay, match really good. Then that is enough for me. As the scale is smaller, then it's going to be more difficult to match the maps. If you are working in a big scale, that one is going to be very easy, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson, and we are going to work in this area next lesson, and we are going to do some cartographies. Okay, see you next time. Thank you guys.